Hello students, welcome to lecture 12 of Knowing Numbers. Today we will take the topic rounding numbers. Okay, we will start with the nearest 10. Now, the meaning of rounding numbers is nothing but approximate. Let me make it more clear. Suppose if I say that a school has 1478 children. Okay, but if somebody is asking me, then I will say that school has about 1500 children. Okay, about 1500. About means nearby. Nearly 1500. Nearly is also called an approximate. I can say approximate 1500 children. Okay, so I can write that 1478 has been rounded to 1500. Similarly, if I say that there are 20 children in English class, but what I will write here? I will write about 20 children because I am not clear with the perfect value. So I will write about. About 20 means nearly. Correct? Now I can say the teacher has about 18 test papers. Okay? About 18 means nearly. Not exactly, but nearly. This is nothing but rounding to the number. So I will say that how much approximate? I can say approximate 20 papers it has. Okay? This is nearly or approximate. Now we will learn further by taking some more examples and it will be very clear to you. This is close to what? 18 is close to 20. So we will find a closer number of the given number. Correct? Now see, let me take an example. Suppose we will write 63. I will say round it to nearest 10. Round it to nearest 10 means we use nearest multiple of 10. We will use nearest multiples of 10. Now 63 means it is nothing but 60 plus 3. 60 is 6 tens. This 63 is between 60 and 70. These are nothing but the multiples of 10. Okay. Now first thing I will do is I will draw a number line. Let me draw a number line starting with 60 and ending to 70. Here I will start with 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Okay. I will end my number line at 70. These are nothing but multiples of 10 and the 63 number lies between two tens, that is one is 60 and one is 70. Now here is the number 63. This is the number 63. This is near and this is far. The distance is far. What is near? 60. So we will say that 63 is closer to 60. So 63 is rounded off to 60. Now similarly, if a number ends with 5, that is, in the ones digit, it is having 5. Let us take 45. This is the second example. Now, because it is 5 here, this number is in the midway, or we can say in the middle point. Okay, it is in the middle of a number line. Then what to do? Then there is a rule over here that when the number is in the midway point or in the middle, then for this number, what you need to do? See, when the number is in the middle point, then it is always rounded up to the next larger number. This is the easiest thing you can remember, or we can, there is another thing also, that, or the same rule but in a different way. We can say that any number having 5 in the ones place, okay, you can also say 5 or more. Let us say 5 or more, not only 5. Let us write 5 or more in the ones place. Then what will happen? Then it will be rounded off to the next larger number, or you can say next multiple of 10. Okay, now see, I have taken the number 45. I will draw the number line. It is between 40 and 50. So I will draw a number line, 40 over here, 50 over here, and 45 is in the middle. Because this is in the middle, I will write the next larger number here. So 45 is closer to 50. So 45 is rounded off to 50. Also we can say that 5 is equal to 5 in ones place. Therefore 45 is rounded to 50. This is both, these are the two ways where you can mark a middle number. Now next number I will take 526. The number is 526, but I have to round off it to nearest tens, means I have to see these two numbers. Now in 526, 26 lies between 20 and 30. That means 520 and 530. So let us write the number line 520, 530. Here it is 550 somewhere. Now I will write here 521, then 522, 523, 524. Sorry, here it is not 550. Sorry. It is 524, 525, 526, 527, 528, 529, and 530. Now 526 is over here. So this is near and this distance is far. Correct? So I can say 526 is closer to 530, or we can say 6 is greater than 5. So we can also say that 526 is rounded off to 530. Correct? This is in the number of hundreds, we can say. You can also think of the number bar also. Like this also you can draw a bar, the same markings, 520 to 530. Somewhere over here you will get 526. Okay, so the same thing, but you can draw it in a bar form. And again we can say that 526 is rounded off to 530. Next example, if I say that, let me take one more number in thousands, but I have to round it to nearest 10. Next example is round 1135 to nearest 10. Now no matter the number is in thousands, but I have to round it to nearest tens. The meaning of this is I have to see these two numbers only. Now 35 lies between 30 and 40. Again 35 is in the middle. Yes, because 5 is in the ones place, it is very easy. Here I will write what? 1130 to 1140. Here lies 1135, that is 1135. Correct? But because as it is 5, we have to go to the next larger number or next multiple of 10. So I will take 1135 is closer to 1140. So 1135 is rounded to 1140. One more example, if we take that, we will take an example in 10,000. Suppose 26,478. Round it to nearest 10. Now, no matter here it is 26,000 and all, take these two numbers only. Understand, nearest tens means you have to take the number till tens only. So 78. 78 lies between which two multiples of 10? Between 70 and 80. The same thing, draw a number line. But here 26,470, 26,480. So 78 will be somewhere over here. 26,478 is here. Also 8 is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, we will go to the nearest large number. So I can say that 26,478 is closer to 26,480. So 26,478 is rounded to 26,480. Now, these are the different numbers with different place values but rounded to nearest 10. In next lecture, we will take rounded to nearest 100. Round the number to nearest 100. So, please go through this lecture and understand the concept. So, thank you very much. Here I end my day, and please like, share and subscribe our channel.